Good Tuesday morning. Right now, kind of a gray picture. We've had a couple of breaks in the sky cover, but we're going to see more and more of that sunshine. Flurries for the time being, but they're going to be replaced by sunshine here in the next couple of hours. Already a promising look to the west. That's our Gualney Group camera from Assisi Heights on this kind of chilly and kind of gray Tuesday morning. Right now, we're seeing at least the prospect of some sun breaking through. It's 19 degrees. We are just a quarter after 8 here on this Tuesday morning. 13-mile-per-hour breeze makes you feel a bit colder. Good morning. I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Today, another seasonably chilly day. Clouds, then some sunshine. And it looks like we'll enjoy a fairly pleasant day, or at least a tranquil day anyway, with temperatures close to where we expect them to be this time of the year after a very, let's say relatively speaking, mild start the day by seasonal standards. Just shy of 20 degrees at this hour. Quite a bit warmer than we were yesterday, certainly. We were below zero, but warmer than the seasonal average by quite a bit. So we're enjoying a tranquil start to the day. Again, sunshine headed our way for the afternoon. And right now it looks like we're going to be looking at some changes ahead of us. We have a storm system tomorrow that will bring clouds again and some snow. But right now, flurries, it's 19 in Rochester, 21 in Austin, La Crosse 19, and Decorah, Iowa 18. West breeze not really strong, but definitely noticeable. 13-mile-per-hour winds. At times, those winds approaching 18 or 19 miles per hour. That's going to keep that wind chill in the single digits and teens as a cold front moves through. And so temperatures, even with that sun, will only move up a few degrees. That's what's maybe a little unusual about this. We'll have all that extra 2/3 of the day of sunshine once we get past these very early morning clouds. But again, behind that front, not as much warm air coming in. So the temperatures will move up a few degrees, and that'll be about it. But looking at the day plan of clouds, and then midday sunshine, afternoon, kind of a chilly breeze, highs around 24, sunset 5:34. There are those flurries on satellite radar. There is some clearing to the west, big gaps beginning to develop in those clouds behind that cold front as it moves through. High pressure comes in behind that. That'll set the stage for some afternoon sun and then a clear night tonight. But again, hardly a quiet picture for very long. We have flurries, then sun today, windy tomorrow. In fact, the winds really pick up tonight, and then we'll have gusts at times 30 miles per hour tonight and tomorrow. Some sun to start our Wednesday, but then there is that snow, a minor coating in the afternoon, and then Arctic air for the second half of the week, or really the final couple of days anyway this week. 19 degrees right now in Rochester here in the 8 o'clock hour. It's 24 in Minneapolis, Omaha 27, Madison 20. There goes that cold front on Futurecast. Clouds and then some afternoon sunshine under that high pressure that comes in and scoots along just to our south, helping us stay quiet and clear to at least the second half of today and tonight. The winds really pick up after midnight. Temperatures will be climbing tonight, and then tomorrow we'll make our way into the low and maybe even mid-30s, but here comes the cloud cover in the afternoon. Very light snow develops between noon and about 3. Looks like the bulk of the accumulation tomorrow between around 3 and maybe about 7 or so tomorrow evening. Snow comes to an end before midnight tomorrow night. Then the skies will take all morning to clear on Thursday, but a rough wind and Arctic air coming in behind that front tomorrow night into Thursday. So here's what we're looking at for snowfall totals. This is tomorrow. I mean, today we're looking at flurries as a trace amount, nothing measurable. But tomorrow afternoon and evening, we start seeing numbers approaching an inch, maybe a little more than an inch by tomorrow night. So a minor coating overall of snow, enough to make that evening commute, though, tomorrow. Maybe a little slick, and you have to do a little bit of shoveling after work or after school tomorrow. Thursday and Friday look a bit drier, but watch these temperatures. Today, mid-20s. Tonight, we may dip the teens for a couple of hours, then we're right back to the 20s overnight. This is Wednesday, 4 o'clock in the morning. Tomorrow afternoon, making our way into the 30s, but you see that snow coming in with that front. Temperatures then by midnight tomorrow night barely above zero, and by the time we get to Thursday morning, about this time Thursday, below zero. And don't look for any improvement. In fact, I think temperatures from there will continue to drop a few degrees. The sun tries to offset that. We'll have afternoon sun on Thursday and help us warm up to maybe zero, but that's about it. So very cold Thursday. That wind chill all day Thursday, about 20 to 25 below zero. So today, highs in the 20s, wind chill single digits and teens, 24 in Rochester, La Crosse 29, Mason City 25, Albert Lee mid-20s. Clouds and flurries, then some sunshine, west winds today. around 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, a gusty breeze, especially after midnight. Temperatures will be climbing after midnight. 17 in the evening, will be in the 20s by tomorrow morning, and then some sun and then snow in the afternoon. About an inch or so of accumulation. Southwest winds all day long, kind of on the gusty side, becoming northwesterly tomorrow night, and that raw wind will be ushering in that Arctic air by Thursday morning. 7 below, the high on Thursday. That actually may be around midnight, maybe a little bit above zero, but afternoon temperature climbing back to around a degree below zero for the afternoon. Friday, 15 below zero to start our Valentine's Day. 14 the high, but not as breezy. And then the weekend, close to 30 each day, light snow. At this point, the system kind of grazes us on Saturday, maybe a minor coating. And then Sunday night into Monday, a chance of rain and snow. Another minor coating of snow mixing with rain. And temperatures next week, actually for a few days, will be warmer than average, kind of making up for that Arctic blast we're dealing with on Thursday and Friday of this week. But we're going to see some 30s this weekend, maybe 20s and 30s through most of next week, which is at or above the seasonal average here for that second half, or the beginning of the second half of February. In the meantime, enjoy some of that sunshine that's on its way for today, and have a great Tuesday.